Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can format BF6 phone without any problem. Firstly, you open Pandora tool and wait for it to open. Sometimes it takes long and you have to open it like as an admin. Just wait a little bit. As it's opening, it's checking the card if it's working well and the logins. So after opening, then you click on the bars on top, then you select the model. Here you select wipe data. Here it will ask that, you click yes and connect the phone to the PC. Sometimes the phones need test points or the buttons, but this one you will use the buttons. You use both buttons, volume up and volume down, then you put in the USB at a go so that the tool can respond to read the firmware. As you see, it's now formatting. Here you be patient and wait for the tool to finish wiping all the data from the phone. Wiping this phone, I've tried to format it, but it could bring China stuff, things, language which I couldn't understand, so I was forced to use this tool to format it without using the buttons. Just be patient and wait until the phone finishes. As you can see, it's done now. Now you can unplug the phone. If you would like to know how to use Pandora tool, you can check in other videos how to use Pandora. It formats but leaves there FRP log. So for the FRP, use another again to format the FRP. So thank you.